Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Rever Group of Institutions, Apollo. Dear students, I am Tessin Madam. Now, I am explaining you lesson number 3, Properties of Natural Resources of Standard 7th. Let's recall. First, which are the gases present here? Why is air called a homogeneous mixture? Second, what are the uses of various gases in air? Properties of air. Air is all around us. We cannot see it, yet we feel the presence of air. When inhaled, air is taken in through the nose. If we blow on your hand through our lips, we can feel the air. Try this. First point. Take a stick from a broom or a paper or plastic straw. Tie a thread at its center and hang it so that it remains horizontal. Tie 2 rubber balloons of the same size at the two ends of a stick. See to it that the stick remains horizontal. Remove one balloon, inflate it and tie it again at its original position. Thus the stick remains horizontal. The stick goes down on side of the inflated balloon. This means that air has weight. Air is a mixture of gases. Therefore, like all other matter, it has mass and weight. Second, take an injection syringe without the needle. Pull its piston and observe it as you do so. The piston can be pulled out easily. The piston can remain in the position even if you let it go. Now, close the inlet hole of the syringe tightly with your thumb. Pull the piston and let it go. Is the force required to pull out the piston more or less than before? Does the piston remain and it is after you let it go? The molecules of the gases in the air are in constant position. When these molecules strike a body, they create pressure on that body. This is the pressure of air that we atmospheric pressure that we call atmospheric pressure. Pulling the piston with the inlet hole of the syringe close, more space becomes available to the air in the syringe is lowered. Comparatively, the pressure of the outside air is very high. That is why when the pulled out piston is released, it is immediately pushed in. If this experiment is repeated, holding the syringe in the different position like vertical, horizontal or inclined, the piston is found to go in the same extent in the cases. From this, we can infer the atmospheric pressure in the same in all directions. Find out, is there any atmospheric pressure on the moon? Do you know? Under ordinary condition, atmospheric pressure at sea level is about 1,01,400 newtons per square meter. It can be measured with the help of a barometer. As we go higher above sea level, atmospheric pressure decreases. A little fun. Place a piece of cupboard on the mouth of a glass filled completely with water. Holding the cupboard firmly in place with one hand, invert the glass quickly. Take your hand away from the cardboard. What do you see? Observe and discuss. Observe this figure effect of air pressure and you will discuss. Take some water in a plastic cup and hold a straw upright in it. Hold a small piece of another straw near the upper end of the first straw and perpendicular to that straw. Blow hard through the small piece of straw. You will see a fountain of water. Why this is happen? On blowing through the straw, the air at its open end is pushed away and hence the pressure of the air at the opening goes down. As the pressure of the air near the upper end of the erect straw becomes less than atmospheric pressure, the water in the cup is pushed from where the pressure is higher to where it is lower, that is in the upper direction, and the water comes out in the form of fountain. The more forcefully you blow, the higher will be the fountain. The straw fountain works on Bernoulli's principle. Here is a figure effect of air pressure, water, straw and fountain, and there is a upper direction of the water. Use your brain power. What is the effect of increased temperature on the pressure of air? When there exists a difference in the air pressure at two different places, the air starts flowing from the place higher pressure to the place of lower pressure. At such times, we feel freeze or wind blowing. Thus, winds are an effect of the difference in air pressure. You will learn more about this in the lesson called winds in geography. Try this. Take ice cubes in a glass up to 3/4 of its height. Now observe what happened. How did the water droplet appear on the outside of glass? Due to the ice cubes in glass, the air surrounding the glass cooled down. As the water vapor in air, this cools down, it condenses and gets transformed into water. It is this water that collect on the water surface of the glass. The level of humidity is different in different places. Similarly, the humidity levels also change from time to time during the period of a single day. The level of humidity of the air is determined by its capacity to hold water vapor. During the night or at dawn, when the atmosphere of air is low, its capacity to hold the vapor is less. At such times, the excess vapor is transferred into water droplet. This is what we call dew. In the afternoon, when the temperature of air is high, the capacity of the air to hold the moisture also increases. When then compared to its full capacity to hold water, the proportion of moisture in the air is less and we feel that the air is dry. The proportion of water vapor in the air is high during the monsoon, and in coastal areas as a result we feel the dampness or humidity. In summer, wet clothes dry quickly, but in the rain they do not. Why they do not? Why is this so? Yes, use your brain power. First, dip and uncorked inverted empty bottle in a slanting position into the water in a wide container. Why do you observe? Second, what change takes place in a balloon on filling air in it? We come to know from the activities above the air has properties like occupying space, having a certain volume, having mass and weight, Air is a mixture of very fine particles of some gases, dust, smoke and moisture. When rays of light fall on these minute particles, the particles spread the light in the direction. The natural phenomenon is called scattering of light. Yes, students, watch all the videos of our Rehbar school on Rehbar channel and like it and subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.